Respect to the rising fuel prices here, petrol and diesel prices across India once again have been hiked here after a two-day pause, a two-day rest to that hike that was given. Today we're looking at yet another hike after 2 days. In Delhi, petrol hiked by 35 paise and now we're looking at a price of 90.93 rupees per litre. Diesel hiked by 35 paise, the price of which now is 81.32 rupees per litre. In Mumbai, highest prices that we're looking at from all across the metros here, petrol 97.93 and diesel 88.44. Let's get in further inputs. As far as the other metro city, Bengaluru, is concerned, we have with us our correspondent Neha getting us further details of the fuel grid here today. Neha, please go ahead.
Well, Seher, we're seeing just like many other states, the fuel prices continue to rise, even in the state of Karnataka. As far as the government is concerned, Seher, there's been no word from them on possibly, cutting taxes on the fuel. We did see, of course, about 5 other states that did manage to cut the taxes on fuel and bring down the prices. But today, you can actually see in Karnataka how the diesel prices are almost at about 86.2 and, petrol prices, in fact, Seher, basis speed and the normal are ranging between 93 and 97. So having said that, this is coming at a time when people are mostly dependent on their own vehicles, because let's remember that, this is the time when people are still hesitant to use public transport. We're possibly, also going to be seeing now, restrictions that have already been put in place by the government of Karnataka, for travel as well. So all the more so for people to be using their own public transport. But the government of Karnataka still silent on what they're possibly going to be doing to, ease the burden of the people a little. So as far as, fuel prices over here in Karnataka are concerned, we're only seeing it going on an upward trend, Seher, and no actual, efforts being made over here by the government, much like the other states, that did manage to at least ease the burden of the commuters a little bit.
Yes, Neha, thank you for getting us those inputs here. Neha, also they're specifying state of Karnataka, of course, has not reduced its VAT on fuel. Central government is not reducing any of those taxes, excise duty so far, whereas other states, 5 other states have done so to provide that relief to its people. We're now getting you inputs coming in from Maharashtra, from Mumbai. Mayuresh is getting us these updates. Let's take a listen in.
Fuel prices are continuously increasing in the nation, and if we talk about a city of Mumbai, we can see 97.32 is the current petrol price, and diesel price is 88.42. Whenever the fuel prices increases, it has a direct impact on the essential commodities, especially vegetables, especially milk, because the transportation cost of these things go up, and it also affects the daily budget of common people. We'll try to go across to this gentleman. Sir, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, हर रोज कीमतें बढ़ रही है, आपको नहीं लगता कि राज्य सरकार ने भी कहीं ना कहीं इनिशिएटिव लेके कम करना चाहिए?
करना चाहिए, डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए। कोई भी करने वाला है ही नहीं, खाली खुद का ही देखते हैं, पब्लिक बोले मरेगा।
Yes, if you talk about state of Maharashtra, there is a 26% of VAT on fuel, especially petrol, and 24% VAT on diesel, as well as state government charged between 2 to 3 rupees cess on the fuel. So it would be interesting to see that from 1st of March, there is a budget session of Maharashtra Assembly, and in that budget session, will state government give any kind of relief to people of Maharashtra at least, because there are few other states in the country who have reduced the state taxes on fuel to give a kind of a relief to people in their state. So now, as I said, it will be interesting to see on 1st of March, there is a state government's assembly budget session. So if it would be interesting to see whether the government reduces a VAT cess on fuel or not.
All right, whether or not the Maharashtra government could decide on pulling down its VAT, because remember, Maharashtra, one of those states which has the steepest VAT on fuel that we have as compared to other states. Meanwhile, we've also gotten a word here from the Union Petroleum Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, who's now reacted only this late in the day, having reacted to the soaring fuel prices. But he's called it a temporary rise, and the minister says the surge in prices is because of the high prices of crude that we have in the international market because of the COVID crisis. So this is, of course, being blamed on the COVID crisis. It's being blamed on the international market here, saying that reduction in global supply owing to the pandemic is a contributing factor. Take a listen in.
अभी की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजार में कच्चे तेलों की दाम में बढ़ने के कारण कंज्यूमर की प्राइस बढ़ी है। ये बात भी सही है, कुछ हिस्सा उसमें टैक्स भी इकट्ठा किया जाता है। या हमें उम्मीद है धीरे धीरे प्राइस सॉफ्टन होगा। जिस प्रकार की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्थितियां बन रही है उसमें कोरोना के कारण जो डिमांड डिस्ट्रक्शन हुई थी उस हिसाब से सप्लाई की भी कटौती हुई थी। सप्लाई करने वाले देश जो वादा किए थे कि जनवरी फरवरी तक सप्लाई को पूर्ववत स्थिति में ले आएंगे, वो नहीं ले आने के कारण ये स्थिति बनी है।